Ladies and gentlemen, gather around because today we're talking about a legend on six wheels, the 1977 GMC 26-foot motorhome. You know, the kind of rig that makes you want to quit your job, grab your old college buddy Dave, and hit the open road. Until you realize Dave still thinks deodorant is optional. But that's part of the adventure, right? Now, this silver beauty is no ordinary RV, produced between 1973 and 1978. The GMC Motorhome was America's first front-wheel drive motorhome, and I believe it's still one of the most stylish campers ever built. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, sits an Oldsmobile 403 cubic inch 6.6-liter V8 engine, pushing power to the front wheels through a Toronado-style turbo-hydromatic 3-speed automatic transmission. It's not fast, but with about 185 horsepower and 320 pound-8 feet, 434 newton-meters of torque, it'll pull you up a hill eventually. The ride comfort, surprisingly good, thanks to the air-adjustable rear suspension and front-rear sway bars. This rig glides smoother than my neighbor Rick's comb-over in a wind tunnel. The brakes are old-school front discs and rear drums, but they do the job. The 16.5-inch steel wheels wear Firestone Transforce 8.75 series tires. And yes, there's a spare on the tailgate, because every classic needs a little insurance policy. Inside, it's pure 70s charm. Beige vinyl captain's chairs, matching carpets, and a dashboard that looks like it was stolen from a disco spaceship. The odometer reads 47,000 miles, about 75,600 kilometers, though the seller admits the total mileage is unknown. Still, I think this machine has a few more sunsets left in it. The living quarters are surprisingly cozy. You get a full kitchenette with a double sink, 2-burner stove, sharp microwave, and fridge. The sofa and dinette seats even fold into individual beds. Perfect if you and your travel buddy have different opinions on snoring. The rear bedroom includes a TV cubby, wardrobe, and a queen bed that probably saw more mullets than modern mattresses ever will. There's also a bathroom with a shower, sink, and mirrored cabinet, because even on the road, you deserve to look good when brushing your teeth in 3-point turns. Power comes from a beefy 6,000-watt Onan generator, keeping both rooftop AC units humming and your gadgets charged. Now, it's not all perfection. There's some rust underneath, bubbling paint on the right rear panel, and a broken awning hook, but come on. For a nearly 50-year-old rig, that's just patina with personality. What I liked the most is the fact that this RV isn't just transportation, it's time travel. For around $25,000 to $35,000 USD, 23,000 to 32,000 euros, you're buying a rolling piece of American engineering history. And before we wrap this up, remember, if you'd like to support our channel for just $1, yes, $1, folks, cheaper than gas fumes, there's a sponsorship link under the video. Hit it, become a legend, and help keep the CampAvto Roadshow rolling.